So guys, you want to learn Kannada language in just 5 or 6 minutes, then you will should watch this video. It is very helpful for your learning of Kannada language, where I will some basic in Kannada. You can travel in Karnataka, like somewhere in Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, some part. Okay, now let's start the video. First, see here some Kannada I E U U A I O is there. That is like ABCD in alphabets in Hindi Varnamali. This is Kannada Varnamali. First, you practice it. A I O A K K Gagan Chacha Jajana Tatadalam Papa Yarala Vasha. I will teach. I will make one video. If you comment, I want learn Kannada fully means comment Karnataka Jai Bharata, Jai Desha, Jai. No, not that. Write only so subscribe Soccer on the blogs. Then I will make a video full neatly where I will show fully Kannada words and tell what they mean. Oh shit, train is coming, guys. I will take 5 minutes break. Or else train will horn and all my speakers will blast. Wait 5 minutes, 5. Okay guys, train is not coming. They told loco pilot stopped. You can take screenshot of this. What this is called Vyanjana, all Vyanjana. I will make one clear video. And our first word is, so our first word is, if you visit any your what relative's house, any other house, what do you say? You say, how are you? I am fine. That means in how are you in Kannada means ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಹೇಗೆ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಫೈನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಆರಾಮ್ ಅದೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋಕ್ಕೆ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಫೈನ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅನ್ನೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೌ ಆರ್ ಯು ಅಂತ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಅಂತಾರೆ means telling means antare, like how are you, I am fine. ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನಾವು ಆರಾಮದೀವಿ, ಅದು ಮೇನ್ ವರ್ಡ್. in Karnataka you came for traveling, you should ask how are you means ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ. how much not. in our Karnataka Hampi there are so many farmers now, foreigners is there. They are testing how much. We take photos but they don't react us. And okay, now let's go to second word. Second word is, what is your name. Our next word is, what is your name. How to say now what is your name means, you should say ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಏನು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಏನು means what is your name. My name is Rahul. How to say in Kannada, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ರಾಹುಲ್. And our third word is, wait 5 minutes. Now I will teach you some helping words like and, the, is, that, idu, that, get, all. I will show here. Thing means give me that thing. How to translate in Kannada? Give me that thing means ನನಗೆ ಅದು ಕೊಡು. means give me that thing. And in Karnataka, for boys we say huduga. we say huduga. For girls we say hudigi. Means hudigi means girl. Huduga means boy. You will laughing now, I know. Huduga, hudigi, you will solve. No, solve. I would remember one word. Sulp. Sulp means soda. Soda means small amount of water. Give me small amount of water. Sulp neer kudu. And water means in Kannada means water means in Kannada means water. Water means because in earth there are water. Water means because water comes from sky drops water on the ground, and ground goes to samudra means beach and goes to out because of water means ನೀರು. ವಾಟರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀರು. ಅವರ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀರು ಅಂದಂಗೆ. ಬ್ರೈಟ್ನೆಸ್. And our fifth word, Our fifth word is, have you seen here some trees? See. Where? See how our Malenadu area. See, these trees are called in Kannada means gida. 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 Okay. Where I told that to get a bit na. That equals adu. That equals adu. And mm, and next word, not remembering the man. How do I tell? Our next word is house. HOUSE, house or home, where we say in Kannada money. 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 MANI. Money. Money, not money. Money. We say money for house and home. In villages, like cities, villages, upward city, downward villages. For village, we say what? For for village, we say what? We say halli. Halli. HALI. Halli. For village, we say halli. And for city, uru. 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 For city, we say ur. Ur like means city. City equals uru. And we. Okay, next. So friends, you learned how are you? I am fine. And what is your name? And some Kannada words. And I told some or and now vehicle's name. Like all are same. Vehicle's name means you are over, but one vehicle name bike. In your city you call bike, but in my city we call patti patti, or patti patti or bullet. See guys, there is coming a auto. Duck sound making so disturbing me. Wait, come here. They see. Duck. See. I see this auto and remember one word. I remember that word is milk. In our country, no, in our country, in our not country, in our nation, not nation, in our ur, not ur, in our what? In our city, not in our state, Karnataka, we call milk equals to what? Halu. Halu means milk. Like ಹಾಲ್ ಕುಡಿಯಕುತ್ತೀನಿ. I am drinking milk. And how to say I am drinking milk? I am eating food. I am eating nasta. ನಾ ಕುಡಿಯಕುತ್ತೀನಿ. I drinking means. What do you eat in food? What do you eat in food? आपने क्या खाना खाया? Means ನೀವು ಊಟ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? ನೀವು ಊಟ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? ಅದಕ್ಕನ್ನಕ್ಕೆ what do you eat food ಅಂತಾರೆ. Means Antare means telling. I told now. And now I will test you. Comment down how to say. You should learn this Kannada. What I told first ना वरने वाले सब कुछ भी हो सकता है. और आपको अभी कमेंट करना है. क्या करना है कि कमेंट में कुछ वर्ड्स बोलूंगा उसका हाउ आर यू और आई एम फाइन, क्या खाना खाया और तेरा नाम क्या है, बाइक को क्या बोलते हैं कर्नाटक में, और क्या बोला था मैं, क्या बोला था सब कुछ. उसको इस वीडियो को बार बार देखना, आपको इजी पड़ेगा. और 10 मिनट हो चुका है, आपने कन्नड़ा सीखा तो लाइक करना, सब्सक्राइब करना. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.